Hello students, today in this Olympiad mathematics class, I am going to solve some word problem from chapter rational numbers. First number, find the average of the two middle rational numbers if 4 by 7, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 9 are arranged in ascending order. Now first we have to find the LCM of 7, 3, 3 and 9. We have 4 by 7, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 5 by 9. First we have to find the LCM of 7, 3, 3, 9 equal to 63. Now arrange it same denominator. 4 by 7 equal to 7 into 9, 4 into 9. 7 into 9, 63. 4 into 9, 36 by 63. Now 1 by 3 equal to 1 into 21. 3 into 21, same denominator. We have to arrange all the number in same denominator. So 21 1 is 21 and 3 into 21, 63. Now 2 by 3, again 3 multiplied by 21 and 2 also multiplied by 21. So 42 by 63. And last number 5 by 9, 9 multiplied by 7 and 5 also multiplied by 7. 5 into 7, 35 by 63. Now ascending order is is 21 by 63, 35 by 63, 36 by 63 and 42 by 63. That means 1 by 3 less than 5 by 9 less than 4 by 7 less than 2 by 3. Now the average of 5 by 9 and 4 by 7, two middle rational number 5 by 9 and 4 by 7 is half into 5 by 9 plus 4 by 7. Again LCM of 7 and 9, 63. Now 35 plus 36 equal to half into 71 by 63. So 71 by 126. This is the answer. So my math is find the average of two middle rational number. Two middle rational number if 4 by 7, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 9 are arranged in ascending order. First we have to find the ascending order of 4 by 7, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 5 by 9. So LCM of 7339 is 63. Now you make it same denominator. 4 by 7, if make it same denominator, then 7 multiply by 9. So 4 also multiply by 9. 4 into 9, 36. 7 into 9, 63. Similarly, to make it 63 in denominator, 3 multiply by 21. Again 1 also, numerator also multiply by 21. So 21 by 63. Next 2 by 3, 3 also multiply by 21 and 2 again multiply by 21. So 42 by 63 and 35 by 63. And ascending order is 21 by 63, 35 by 63, then 63 by 63 and last 42 by 63. So 1 by 3 less than 5 by 9, less than 4 by 7, less than 2 by 3. Two middlemost number is 5 by 9 and 4 by 7. Now the average of 5 by 9 and 4 by 7 is half into 5 by 9 plus 4 by 7. Again LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. 9 sevens are 63, that's why 5 multiply by 7, and 7 9s are 63, that's why 4 multiply by 9. 4 9s are 36, 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 36 is 71. Then 71 by 26. Average of two middlemost number is 71 by 126. Now next math. The product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16. If one of the number is minus 4 by 3, then find the other number. So let the other rational number be x. Now the product of two rational number is minus 96. One of the number is minus 4 by 3. It is already given. One number is minus 4 by 3. So according to question, x into minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 9 by 16. So minus 4x by 3 equal to minus 9 by 16. Minus minus cancel. 4x into 16 equal to 3 into 9. Therefore, x equal to 3 into 9 by 4 into 16. So, x equal to 27 by 64. So, other rational number is equal to 27 by 64. Here the product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16. Product of two rational number. One of the number is minus 4 by 3. So let the other rational number be x. And it is already given one number is minus 4 by 3. So according to question, product of two rational number means x into minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 9 by 16. X into minus 4 by 3 means 4x by 3 equal to 9 by 16. Minus minus cancel. 4x cross multiply. 4x into 16 equal to 3 into 9. Therefore, x equal to 3 into 9 by 4 into 16. 27 by 64. So, other rational number equal to 27 by 64. Now, next, if x by y equal to 9 by 8, then x by y equal to 9 by 8. Then find the value of 6 by 7 plus y minus x by y plus x. So we have 6x by y equal to 9 by 8. X by y equal to 9 by 8. And find the value of 6 by 7 plus y minus x by y plus x. So first 6 by 7 plus y common 1 minus x by y in numerator. Similarly, in denominator y common, 1 plus x by y. Again, y cancel, 6 by 7 plus 1 minus x by y equal to 9 by 8. Similarly, in denominator 1 plus 9 by 8. Now 6 by 7 plus, in numerator minus 1 by 8 and in denominator 17 by 8. So 6 by 7 plus minus 1 by 8 into 8 by 17. 8 cancel. 6 by 7 minus 1 by 17 equal to 17 LCM. 6 1702 minus 7. LCM of 7 and 17 119. LCM of 7 and 17. LCM of 7 and 17 is 119. 119. Then 102 minus 7 by 119 means 95 by 119. 95 by 119. So value is given x by y equal to 9 by 8. So we have to convert y minus x to x by y. So y common 1 minus x by y. Similarly, in denominator y common 1 plus x by y. Now put the value of x by y. X by y equal to 9 by 8. 1 minus 9 by 8 and in denominator 1 plus 9 by 8. LCM of 1 minus 9 by 8, 8 LCM, 8 1 ja 8 minus 9 means minus 1 by 8. Similarly, in denominator 8 1 ja 8 plus 9, 17 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 8 by 17, 8 8 cancel, minus 1 by 17. Now LCM of 7 and 17 is 119. 119 divisible by 7. Quotient is 17. So 17 multiplied by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 7. So 102 minus 7 equal to 95 by 119. Now next math. Divide the sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8 by their product. Divide the sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8. First we have to find the sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8. So 4 by 9 plus minus 7 by 8. 72 LCM, 9 8 ja 72, 4 8 ja 32, minus 8 9 ja 72, 7 9 ja 63 equal to minus 31 by 72. Now product of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8. 4 2 ja 8. Now sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8 divide by their product. Sum of 4 by 9 minus 7 by 8 is minus 31 by 72 divide minus 7 by 18. Now minus 31 by 72 into 18 by minus 7, minus minus cancel, 18 4 ja 32, 72 minus 31 by 28. 31 by 28 is the answer. First we have to find the sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8. Means 4 by 9 plus minus 7 by 8. LCM of 9 8 is 72. 9 8 is 72, 4 8 is 32, minus 8 9 is 72, 7 9 is 63. 32 minus 63 minus 31 by 72. Again product of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8 is 4 by 9 into minus 7 by 8, 4 2 ja 8, minus 7 by 18. Now divide the sum of 4 by 9 and minus 7 by 8 means minus 31 by 72 by their product means minus 7 by 18. So minus 31 by 72 into 18 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel, 18 4 ja 72. The answer is 31 by 28. Now the product of two rational number. Product of two rational number is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. Product of two rational number is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. If one of the rational number is 3 by 2, then find the additive inverse of other rational number. Additive inverse of other rational number. First, let the other rational number be x. Now according to question, product of two rational number is reciprocal of minus 4 by 15 means one of the rational number is 3 by 2. One number is 3 by 2. So according to question we can write x into 3 by 2 equal to reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. So 3x by 2 equal to minus 15 by 4. Now 12x equal to minus 30. X equal to minus 30 by 12. 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30 means minus 5 by 2. So additive inverse of minus 5 by 2 is only 5 by 2. Additive inverse means opposite sign. Minus 5 by 2 is 5 by 2. Let's see the other rational number. The product of two rational number is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. One of the rational number is 3 by 2. So other rational number, if other rational number is x, then product of two rational number is x into 3 by 2. And according to question, x into 3 by 2 equal to reciprocal of minus 4 by 15. Now 3x by 2 equal to minus 4 by 15, x equal to minus 5 by 2. We have to find the additive inverse of rational number. Additive inverse of minus 5 by 2 is opposite sign of 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2, its additive inverse is plus 5 by 2. This is the answer. Now next one. Simplify. Simplify, we have minus 18 whole 1 by 3 into 2 whole 8 by 11 minus 4 whole 5 by 7 into 2 into 1 by 3, 3 by 5 plus minus 9 by 10 plus minus 3 by 5. Now first of all, minus 18 whole 1 by 3 means minus 55 by 3 into 30 by 11 minus 33 by 7 into 7 by 3. Denominator 3 by 5 plus minus 9 by 10 minus plus 3 by 5. Now 55 by 3 into 30 by 11. 11 5 ja 55, 3 10 ja 30. So minus 50. Minus 50 minus 7 cancel 3 11 minus 11 by 3 by 10 minus 9 by 10 LCM 5 2 ja 10 6 minus 9 plus 3 by 5. Again minus 61 minus 3 by 10 plus 3 by 5. Minus 61 by minus 3 by 10 means 3 by 10 plus 3 by 5. Minus 61, LCM of 10 and 5 is 10. 10 3 plus 6 means minus 61 by 9 by 10. So minus 61 into 10 by 9 minus 610 by 9. So 610, 6 9 ja 54, 7 0, 7 9 ja 63, 7. Answer is minus 67 whole 7 by 9. This is the answer. Now next, in an examination, a student has asked to find 5 by 7 of a certain number. By mistake number is 3 by 2. Then find the additive inverse of other rational number. Find the additive inverse of other rational number. In an examination, a student has asked to, student has asked to find 5 by 7 of a certain number. So let the number be x. Answer obtained by student, answer obtained by student x into A student has asked to 5 by 7 of a certain number. By mistake number is 3 by 2. Then find the additive answer of other rational number. So answer obtained by the student is x into 17 by 5 means 17x by 5, and correct answer is equal to 5 by 17 into x. 5 by 17 into x. So according to question, we have 17 by 5x minus 5 by 17x equal to 264 by 119. Then LCM of 5 or 17, 85. 17, 17, 2, 89x minus 25x equal to 264 by 119. Then 289x minus 25x, 264x by 85 equal to 264 by 119. So 264x into 119 equal to 264 into 85. Therefore x equal to 264 into 85 by 264 into 119. 264 cancels, 17 5 ja 85, 17 7 ja 119. So x equal to 5 by 7. This is the answer, x equal to 5 by 7. Number B x. In an examination, a student has asked to 5 by 17 of a certain number. By mistake number is 3 by 2. Find the additive inverse of the other rational number. So let number be x. Answer obtained by student, x into 17 by 5, 17x by 5, and correct answer is 5 by 17 into x. So according to question, 17x by 5 minus 5x by 17 equal to 264 by 119. Then LCM of 5 and 17, 85. 289x minus 25x means 264x by 85 equal to 264 by 119. Now 264x into 119 equal to 264 into 85. Cross multiply, x equal to 5 by 7. Thank you, students.